I'm going to show you a few tricks where you can select all the content on your Google Docs document. First, to select the entire text or the entire elements on your document, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and A, or if you're using Mac, you can use the keyboard shortcut Command and A. The result will get you something like this. Basically, all the content are selected, and now you can do whatever you want with this element. For example, I want to make it larger, I can also make it smaller, or change the color, change the font type. Basically, this will affect all the selected content. But there is another way to select a big chunk of your document without using that keyboard shortcut. So, for example, I just want to select this element until this element, basically just this paragraph, but I don't want to select anything else. So what I need to do now is I'm going to place the cursor at the very top of the element, and I'm going to press and hold the shift key on my keyboard, and I'm going to click this area at the very end of the paragraph. This will select the entire content that basically encapsulate the first area of the cursor and at the very end. This is also true for other content like table. Let me give you an example. If I just select, put my cursor right here, and if I put my, and then I press the shift key on my keyboard, and then I click my cursor right here, it will select the entire element within this area. So that is a very useful way to use this keyboard shortcut to select big chunk of your element in the document. Anyway, I hope that helped.